Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to confront a profound and timely truth. In a world where appearances often overshadow authenticity, where manipulation disguises itself as charisma, and selfishness masquerades as generosity, a divine shift is taking place. God is exposing narcissists. This isn't merely about pointing out behavior, it's about understanding the spiritual battle at hand. It's a reminder that while deception may thrive for a season, no lie can stand indefinitely against God's truth and justice. Narcissists may revel in their schemes, their pride, and their manipulations for a time, but God's light always penetrates the darkest corners. This moment of exposure is not just about accountability for those who deceive, it is also about redemption for those who have been hurt. Tonight, we reflect on what this exposure means, for them and for us. We'll explore how God's unwavering light illuminates even the deepest shadows, how faith serves as a shield for the oppressed, and how His justice is both a call for repentance and a promise of deliverance. Imagine standing in a dark room. In the absence of light, you can't see the furniture, the walls, or even the objects surrounding you. But the moment you strike a match or flip a switch, everything changes. The light reveals what was hidden. This is how God's truth works, bringing clarity where confusion once reigned and exposing deception for what it truly is. The time for hiding is over. The time for truth is now. As we dive into this powerful message, let us open our hearts, sharpen our discernment, and place our trust in the one who sees all, knows all, and reveals all. The light is here, and it will not be extinguished. Let us walk boldly into the truth.